Hi, I'm going to go over how to access books on Epic Books. So this is a website that you can go to that has free online ebooks. So we're going to start at our Hardee County School Board ClassLink. And when you're in here and you've logged into ClassLink, you're going to go down to Epic. Click on that. And because you're a student, you would go to Student Login and you would enter your class code here. And that would only be for the first time. Your teacher would have this class code for you. Since I'm an educator, I'm going to go into Login with Google, and that's what yours would say if it was not the first time that you were logging in. It would automatically go to Login with Google. And it would link up with your Google account, your school account. So, when you get to the home page, kind of looks like this. You have all different types of books that you can search for. The place that I would start would be to search by AR level, since that's what we use, and we kind of want to make sure that we are reading books within our levels. So I'm going to go to where it says AR. And I can explore by my reading levels here. So I can choose, let's say I'm a 1.0 to a 1.9. And here are all the books that I can access. Now you'll see some of them say read to me. So that means that the book will actually be read to you. Some don't. So that means that you would have to do the reading. So to access it, you'll click on it, tell you the AR level. And just like any other ebook, you'll be able to read the book here. So you'd read it online, and then, and here's where it gets a little tricky, you would want to take a test on this, obviously, because you've read it. The way that you're going to get to a test for a book like this that you find on Epic is you're going to have to actually go out and go back to your ClassLink and go to Renaissance Place. Remember, this is where you go. This should look familiar. When you go to take an AR test, you click on I'm a student, you put in your information, and you're going to search for the book that you read in Epic. So this was called The Boy Who Cried Wolf by Elizabeth Adams. So you would type that in when you get into your Renaissance, and let me go back really quick. And you would type in your book title here. It was called The Boy Who Cried Wolf. And there it is. You would click on that, and then you would be able to go in and take a test on this. Something very important to remember when you're using Epic. There are ways to take tests within Epic itself. So it'll say, do you want to take a quiz on The Boy Who Cried Wolf? And you can do that as a practice in Epic, but that is not going to count towards your AR because you are not in AR, you're actually in Epic. So it's very important that when you're reading something in here, you don't just click on the quiz within Epic. You want to go out, you want to go to your Hardee County School Board ClassLink, you want to click on the Renaissance place, and then you want to make sure that you search for your book and do your quiz inside of Renaissance. That way you get the points and you get the score, and your teacher can see that. Your teacher can see if you've taken a test in EPIC, but it is not going to count towards AR. Remember, if you want it to count towards AR, you're going to have to go out to ClassLink, then to your Renaissance, and then search for your book.